What defines an heirloom plant? The correct choice is open-pollinated. How do you identify aphids? And the answer is tiny green bugs. When do you prune roses? Where do you find thrips? The answer is inside flowers. How do you propagate pothos? Answer: water cuttings. When do you harvest kale? Did you guess it? The answer is after frost. What is a rhizome? Answer: underground stem. Why do you use bone meal? Here is the answer: phosphorus. How do you prune hydrangeas? Here is the answer: check species. Where do you grow orchids? Here is the answer: bark medium. What is cold stratification? Here is the answer: chilling seeds. When do you divide iris? The correct choice is after blooming. How do you test seed viability? The answer is wet paper towel. Why do you use neem oil? Answer: organic pest. What is a biennial plant? Here is the answer. 2-year cycle. Where do you plant peonies? The answer is shallow hole. How do you stop spider mites? The correct choice is increase humic. What is the use of Epsom salt? The correct choice is magnesium. When do you harvest onions? Did you guess it? The answer is tops fall over. Why do you use peat moss? The correct choice is water retention. What is the purpose of deadheading? And the answer is prolonged blooms. How does boron affect cell walls? Time's up! It's structural link! What causes sun scald on fruit? Time's up! It's high exposure! When do you apply dormant oil? Answer, before leaf out. Why do you use kelp meal? The correct choice is micronutrients. How do you treat rust fungus? Time's up! It's copper spray! What is a stolon in plants? The answer is horizontal stem. Where do you see chlorosis first? The correct choice is newest leaves. How do you graft a fruit tree? Here is the answer, cambium touch. When do you scarify seeds? And the answer is before sowing. Why do you use humic acid? Here's the answer, nutrient uptake. What is the purpose of gypsum? The answer is break up clay. How do you identify scale? Time's up. It's waxy bumps. When do you prune wisteria? Did you guess it? The answer is summer-winter. Why do you use a dibber? Did you guess it? The answer is seed holes. What is transpiration pull? The answer is water movement. How do you prevent damping off? The correct choice is air circulation. Where do you find nematodes? The answer is in the soil. What is apical dominance? The correct choice is main stem leads. When do you use a soil probe? Time's up. It's check moisture. Why do you use a cold frame? Here is the answer. Extend season. Great job. Did you ace this quiz? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge.